Hey yo, what it do? What is good, YouTube? This is your boy Uncle Nasdaq back again, guys, with another banger. We're back again in the cut. We're back again online. You know the vibes, guys. So today's CPI, guys. Today's the CPI way, boy. So I am looking for the DXY to sell. What is DXY? DXY is a USD. Basically, it represents the United dollar, right? United States dollar. What, guys? So let me see, guys. Let's analyze and see why I'm saying I want this thing to sell, right? So if you look closely, the market has been forming lower lows and lower highs, right? And if we can see what's happening here, I'm not going to take it too far. I'm going to go to the 4 hour time frame. I'm not going to take it too far, guys. I'm really not going to take it too far. You can really see that the market is moving downwardly, right? The market is moving downwards. I don't want to say anything drastically, guys, but the market, we can see the market is moving downward. So we know that the market now, we are expecting a sell, right? So what's happening here? What am I seeing here? I'm seeing the market creating something like an impulse and then a correction to the upside, right? And then we'll get another impulsive move, right? That's what I'm anticipating. So let me just go back down to the 1 hour time frame and see what is happening, right? So we do have this kind of like a resistance right over here, right? We do have that resistance right over there, and then we do have this zone that represents to us like it gives the bearish flag vibes, right? It gives the bearish flag vibes. It also gives the rising wedge vibes, right? It also gives the rising wedge vibes. So we do have like a pennant, something like that. Yeah. So we can see that the market, obviously, we are looking for sales, right? And then how do I confirm my sales? Wait, let me just go back to my 15 minutes time frame. You can see that the market broke this lows, which means that now it's retesting those lows to actually give us like a proper sell. But let me dala Fibonacci nyan. Let me dala Fibonacci nyan. So you see there where the 50% is. That's where I'm expecting to get my sales, right? Let me just dollar my short position there. That's where I'm expecting to get my sales, and then my stop loss is gonna be just there, and then we're gonna just ride the market all the way down with the CPI movement, right? So let me go to gold. Today we're gonna be trading gold, guys. Let me go to the 4 hour time frame. So on gold, I'm seeing a proper buy, right? Seeing like a head and shoulder nyan. I'm seeing like a proper buy, guys, like a proper buy. So let's see what's happening on gold, guys. So what's happening on gold, if we look at this, we can see that the market broke out from this major trend, right? The market broke out from this major trend. So what I'm just going to give you guys a brief insight on what's happening here. We are experiencing something like a correction there, yeah. So that correction was broken out, right? So I'm not going to go far again. Like I said, I'm going to stop here, right? I'm going to give you guys a young signal nyana for CPI. So CPI, it's a buy, but I think I'm only going to be uploading this video after CPI because I'm gonna be busy, right? And then what you can see here is like a head and shoulder nyan. It's like a head and shoulder nyan. Before we continue, guys, before I give you guys the signal, guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're looking for a broker to trade with, make sure you click the link in the description below and trade with AQ Markets, guys. Trade with a broker that cares about you, trade with a broker that cares about your funds, and trade with a broker that you know that your funds are safe, right? So I can see like a head and shoulder nyana there. So we know that the market from here now we're going to be experiencing buys. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame actually and see what's happening, guys. So what are we looking for here with gold? I am looking for the market to break this zone. Then at least we know that the market know for sure the market is going to buy, because that confirms to us. But then even if the market is, because we still have time left, guys, it's only, what time is it now? What time is it now? It's only 1 o'clock now. CPI is at 3:30. So at 15:30. So we know, guys, we know that the market can break the zone, and then we're going to cover this high at least. But I believe CPI is going to be stronger than NFP. So I believe we're going to be covering somewhere around about there. We're going to be having a proper spike, guys. Proper spike. So make sure you trade gold, guys. I've given you guys the direction. Let's go to US 30, guys, and see. This is the last pair. This is like a bonus pair that I'm analyzing for you guys. So let me remove everything here. Same thing with US 30, guys. It's the same thing. We do have like a kind of like a breakout nyan. Let me do this thing right. Let me do this thing right. So we do have kind of like a breakout nyan. So oh my goodness. There we go. We do have kind of like a breakout nyan. So something like that, guys. Something like that. And then what you can see is that the market has like a support here. The market has like a support there. So the market can probably respect. But then the other thing is look at how the market just broke this high, right? So the market now it's going to create another higher high. But I believe if US30 has to buy, it's only gonna buy till this zone, right? Because this is like a major resistant. But yeah, I think we should hit that resistance before coming back. So let me just go to my 1 hour time frame and see what I can confirm for you guys, right? Because for the past days now, I haven't been trading US30. US30 has been not good, right? US30 hasn't been treating me good. But we do have something like this nyana in the building, so you can see. Sharp. You can see now that we do have like a support here, right? We do have like a support here. Right there, guys, right there. So most of the retail traders are gonna take this as a double top, but this is actually just a retest of a high which we are looking to buy. So I'm gonna go down to my 15 minutes time frame again. You see how easy it is to anticipate the market, guys, and then I'm going to be looking for the market to at least break this zone right here, right? Before I can start telling you guys that, okay, you could see, I want to start checking my buying opportunities with my proper stop loss, right? So with CPI, I'm expecting a bigger movement. So let me just go to my 1 hour time frame. I am expecting a bigger movement, right? So yeah, guys, let's say I'm expecting a movement till that resistance there. It doesn't have to be once off with the CPI movement. We could still have a few rejections here and there, but I'm really looking forward for the market to hit that zone right over there, right? So that's it for the analysis of CPI. But let me show you guys why I think the USD will sell, right? So let me show you guys. So now you can see that with investing.com coming here, if you press on CPI, right? If you press on core CPI and you look at the focus, look at the previous, look at the focus, the numbers are the same. There is no higher number. So we can anticipate a sell there. And then when you look at the previous here again, you can see it's 3.7%. And when you look at the forecast, it's 3.6%, which means they want the USD, or they're anticipating the USD to drop, right? And then here again, you can see the percentages was 0.6%, and now the forecast is 0.3%. So obviously we're looking for the market to drop, the USD market, right? So yeah, guys, I'll see whatever this thing does, right? And let me just go to my AQ markets so I can show you guys how much I just funded a young account for CPI, right? Let me just, so as you guys can see, this is my account, guys. Just funded this account today just for CPI, guys. I just deposited something yana to see how CPI is gonna move, right? And by the way, we're gonna be trading gold on this account, and my target for this account, you can see this account is small, right? So my target for this account is just like a young 500 nyana, just like a young 500 nyana, then we're done. So we're gonna be anticipating buys, guys. We're gonna be seeing buys. Look at this whole gap here, guys. But nonetheless, guys, I'm gonna come back with the results, and we're gonna see, guys, when I post the video. Tako.